Hi and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we learned how to create our first Python notebook inside Jupyter using Anaconda. Today, we are going a step ahead. We will learn how to install and use the three most popular Python libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. As you can see, I have already opened Jupyter Notebook. I have created a folder named Python tutorial and inside it, create a new file. Click on New, Python, Conda env base. A new instance of Jupyter Notebook will open in front of you. Before we use the libraries, let's understand what they are actually. NumPy, the foundation of scientific computing. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's the library that gives Python its fast mathematical operations, array, and matrix support. Vectorized operation, which are much faster than Python list. Almost every data science library, like Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, is built on top of NumPy. To install the library NumPy, I will give the command !pip install NumPy, Shift Enter. As you can see, the kernel is dark now, so it's still running. And after it ran, it's written requirement already satisfied because NumPy, Pandas, and libraries like this are already pre-installed with Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. At first, I will import the NumPy library. Import NumPy as NP. NP is the alias name. So using the NP alias, you can call the functions of NumPy. Enter. Then I will create an array. If you already know what an array is nothing but a set of numbers which have index and the index start with 0. Here I will store the array in the variable arr and I will call np dot array function. Inside that I will store a custom array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I will print the array. Shift enter. As you can see, the array is printed. We can also use several functions which comes with NumPy like summation and mean. So if I want to print the mean of all these numbers, I will use the function np.mean and inside that I will send this array. And I can also give this custom message as mean :space comma shift enter. As you can see, mean is printed. Similarly, I can also print the sum of all the numbers in the array. As you can see, mean and sum are printed. That's it. NumPy makes mathematical operations fast, simple, and optimized. Next, we will see Pandas. Pandas is used for working with tables like rows and columns, reading and writing CSV, Excel files, data cleaning, data filtering, and data analysis. If you have ever used Excel, think of Pandas as 10x more powerful version inside Python. Let's quickly import Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. Now to feed the data frame, we have to create a key value pair, which is in the form of a dictionary. So let's define a dictionary, data. So I want 3 columns as name, age, and city. Name, age, and city. Name I will quickly give as my name, Riju, and Sam. Age I will give 25 and suppose 28. And the city I can give Kolkata and Bangalore. Let's print this data. So this is how a normal dictionary looks. Now let's fit this data into a data frame. So pd dot data frame. Inside that I will fit this data. So this is how a data frame looks like with the columns name, age, and city. And these are the rows. This displays a clean table, and this is called the data frame. Now we can also put some filtering and get the rows where the age is greater than 20. So df age greater than, I can say greater than 25. Now let's see. I have to print this. Okay, there is no df. I have to store this data frame in a variable named df, and then only I can use this. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have stored the data frame in a variable named df, and I have called df age, which is greater than 25. So it is giving me the row that the age is greater than 25. Pandas is perfect for working with real-world data like this. Next comes Matplotlib. Matplotlib is the Python's data visualization library. Matplotlib helps you create line charts, bar charts, pie charts, histogram, and beautiful custom graphs. It shows graphs inside Jupyter Notebook. Let's quickly import Matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then I will define the x and y coordinates of the graph. So x, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y coordinates I want 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, like this. And then plt.plot, since plt is the alias of matplotlib library, plt.plot, I will feed the x and y coordinates, x comma y. And then I will do plt.show. As you can see, a line graph is displayed in the output. Now, if I want markers, suppose at point at x1, y2, like that, if I want the dots as marker to indicate the points, then I can give marker O. And as you can see, the markers are displayed. Similarly, I can give a title and x title, y title, like that. So plt dot title simple line graph. So this is a title, and I can also give the x and y label. Plt dot x label, x axis, plt dot y label, y axis, enter. As you can see, the title is displayed, the x-axis title, y-axis title, all the labels are also displayed. So one line of code and you get a beautiful chart right inside the notebook. Now, to save it, click on this save icon. That's how you install and use NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib inside Jupyter Notebook. If this helped you, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Take Coffee Break. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.